In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a true or false question in Google Forms. This can be particularly useful for creating quizzes, surveys, or any activity where you need to collect responses efficiently. Let's dive into the process and make your Google Forms even more dynamic and interactive. First, we'll start by opening Google Forms. You can do this by heading over to forms.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a new form from scratch to keep things simple. Once you are in a new form, it's time to name your form and provide a description if needed. This will help your respondents understand the purpose of the form and any specific instructions they should follow. You'll find the title section at the top of the page where you can type in a descriptive name. Moving directly below, you can add a description to give more context about what your form is all about. Now, let's add a true or false question. To do this, click on the plus sign on the side toolbar to add a new question. You can enter your question in the untitled question field, something like, "The Earth is flat," or "The sky is blue." These are straightforward examples, but adjust them to suit the information you need from your audience. Next, we'll set the question type. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question box and select Multiple Choice. This type is perfect as it allows users to choose one answer from a list of options. Then you have to create the two answer options, true and false. Simply click option 1 to type in true and add the next option by clicking Add Option, then fill it with false. After setting up the question and options, make sure the question is set as required. You can do this by toggling the Required button at the bottom right of the question box. This will ensure that respondents cannot submit the form without answering this question, which can be really important depending on how critical it is to get this feedback. As you're setting this up, Google Forms also offers an option to add an answer key. This is especially useful if you're setting up a quiz, as it allows you to choose the correct answer and even provide feedback for both correct and incorrect responses. For that, click on Answer Key from the question options and select the correct option. You can also add point values and feedback if needed. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to create a true or false question in Google Forms. By following these steps, you can effectively assess, quiz, or gather opinions in a way that's both easy for you to set up and simple for your respondents to complete. I hope you found this guide useful, and I encourage you to experiment with the myriad of other features that Google Forms has to offer.